let's take a look at this Matchpub app. So here is Matchpub. Quite interesting app, live one-on-one video chat. Matchpub has 2,000 ratings. It's in top charts in social networking. In the beginning, I was thinking that this is some kind of like, scammy, spammy Chinese app. There are a lot of these new AI apps which just super spammy, but seems this is more legit app. Over 8 million users are registered ready to live video chat on Matchpub, making it the ultimate destination for live video chats and joining and making new friends. Matchpub has a global community of millions, whether you're here for video chats with new people seeking a safe LGBTQ plus friendly space to connect. Matchpub makes it easy to interact. So live video chat, revolutionary video chat app. Meet global friends, video call or text chat with people from any corner of the world. LGBTQ plus friendly, verified profiles only, overcome language barriers. Find your people, Matchpub Club, exciting video chats, advanced filters, safe and verified community. LGBTQ plus friendly space, Matchpub Club membership. So let's just open it up. So I created an account for you, and this is how it looks like. You can then just tap to start, and then you will start to do like random video chatting in here. If you want to filter out by gender who you want to chat with, only male or female, then you need to upgrade in here. So then you need either to buy 500 credit or you can also buy 100 credit for $2 per week. You can also do that. So that's about the idea. Then you can see activities in here, who added you to favorites, who liked you, but you don't see exactly. Then you just can also buy credits. So 100 credits like 99 cents, one-time purchase. There are no invite codes or promo codes in here, so nope, you don't have it. Then you can just see people in your location. You can, again, if you wanna filter out, you can do it in here. You can see whatever you see in here. So that's the idea. Again, I don't know how legit is this app. Whether there are a lot of AI bots and yeah, the idea like a lot of AI bots or a lot of spammy scammy accounts, that's just, I don't know. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then just how you can change your language. You can block users, there are reports, privacy settings. You can change app icon, you can enable Face ID for your security. Then also you can log out and you can remove your account. Also, instead of removing, you can just freeze it during this period. No one can see your profile. You can activate your account by logging in again at any time. So you can just delete it like that. And you can buy coins in here and you can just then become a member of the club. So they only have one club membership. So you have free credits every week, detailed filtering, find people around the world, see people profile, visit, see who likes you, connect 24/7 to live support. And this is a bit confusing in here. So you bind this, but I don't know. So you get in 2,000 credits. Okay, so it's just so you buying membership, but also in addition to membership, you buying credits. So depending how many credits you're buying, the price increases. So you can just see the most popular membership is $10 per week, and you get 1,000 credits. If you just want to try the app, then you can just try $2 per week and $100 credit. Then this is the club subscription in here. Then the next one is subscription plus 500 credits, and then that's it. So it's a bit confusing. They don't have, they basically have 4 tiers of premium subscription and everything is tied to credits, but I guess it makes sense for them. So that's the idea of the app. Kind of, if you like random live video chatting, you can try this app. I registered yesterday. As you can see, I didn't receive 20 AI bot messages. So probably, obviously, they have these AI bots and everything, but not that many. Here you can see that, because in other some spammy apps, if you just sign in, you will get 50 AI messages and everyone asks you to upgrade and spend money. So here, probably is not, it's actually good quality app, but again, you should be careful and you can easily spend a lot of, actually waste a lot of money in this kind of apps. And these days, it's quite hard to identify which apps are, which profiles are real people, which are not real people, and that's what it is.